Another Saturday, another yoga class. We have the most golden sunshine this morning. Well, there you go. This is becoming our little routine now. I feel like every vlog is just me going to yoga. Sorry, guys. The best part of going to that cafe is the dogs. They're so cute. The one that I was patting is a little pat whore. Loves being patted constantly. The other one, I think it's an Australian Shepherd or some sort of similar breed. Doesn't really like pats, but is obsessed with having the ball thrown and kept barking the whole time. It didn't have its ball today, so it's so cute. Waiting for the bus because we missed it. Literally as we walked up the hill, it went past. So now we have to wait 18 minutes and it's absolutely fucking boiling. Because it's so warm today. I think it's 34 or something, but it feels like 39. Anyway, we ate the pastry, the tart, because it was so hot we were worried it was going to melt in my bag. I had like a vanilla bean cream raspberries and like a raspberry jelly on the top, and then the bottom was like a buckwheat granola base. It was really yummy. Now we're just waiting for the bus while Val goes grocery shopping. Good morning. I've just done my skincare, which is why I'm looking very shiny, and I'm about to do some yoga. I like to do Charlie Follows at the moment. She's an English yoga instructor on YouTube. I used to do a lot of Adriene, yoga with Adriene, and I still think she's great, but there's something about Charlie Follows that's very zen. I like the calmness of it. It's very slow. She doesn't talk too much. Yeah, it's just chill, and at the moment that's what I'm really craving. And after that, I'm gonna pop to the shop. I've run out of hairspray and I haven't been able to find my hairspray in the usual places. So I'm hoping maybe down the street might miraculously have it, or at least something I can use in the interim. And then I need to do my taxes. I can't wait. That was in fact too much for me today. I had to bike out halfway through, but I did half of it and it really destroyed my legs. But with all of the extra walking up hills and more steps in my life and doing kickboard in the pool and swimming, my hammies could not handle it today. Finished the jumpsuit the other day. So this is the final reveal of her. I'm so happy with how she turned out. It fits much better than the last time I made her, and I think it's probably the material. The other material being that it's sort of a t-shirt material also almost, and it's vintage. It like stretches out really quickly and gets really baggy, whereas this obviously fits really nicely. She's very booby. I did actually put a little hook and eye here so she can sit sort of like this, which I think is cute, but I kind of like her open with the shoulders sitting like right out on my shoulders, so it kind of gets like a V shape across the shoulders as well. I think it's quite cute. But as we are having a canicule, a heat wave here in Nice, I will not be wearing that. I will be wearing this little outfit here, just a t-shirt, a pair of Freddy's of Pinewood shorts, and the shoes I picked up from Vinted recently. And I'm gonna head to the shops and hopefully there is some hairspray there. Hello, I am signing in the middle of the afternoon because it has been yet another day of paperwork, planning, things that aren't really that interesting to vlog. But I have just made lunch. It smells really good. It is a Mexican-inspired quinoa, I suppose, that I made in the rice cooker. Let me show you. So obviously it's quinoa, it's got sweet potato, it's got zucchini in there. Ooh, we're fogging things up. Sexy but chihuahua. Kidney beans, black beans, onion, garlic, and then for spices, oh, it's got tomatoes as well. And then for spices, it's got smoked paprika, dried oregano, coriander, cumin, garlic powder, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. And here she is with a nice big dollop of guacamole on top and some green onion. I'm really not feeling crash hot right now. I'm dealing with some medical issues that are causing me a lot of pain, so I've taken some paracetamol and I've been lying down for a while, but it just leaves me space to think about how much I hurt. So I'm going to do some sewing, because at least I'm sitting. It doesn't involve me moving around a lot, doing any heavy lifting. I am using the bottom part of my 60s jumpsuit to make some little pedal pushers, or clam diggers. I suppose they're probably more clam diggers. They come just below the knee. So I really, really like the cut and the way it fits around the hips and the crotch area, more so than the capri pattern that I have, which is a bit baggier. So, and this is already a stretchy material, so hopefully this works out. I've just eliminated the top part of the pattern and we will see how this goes. Well, that wasn't fun at all. I cannot for the life of me get the stitch correct. It just keeps snapping the top thread, no matter what I put the tension on, what width I put, or what length I put for the zigzag stitch. It just won't work. And this is turning out to be very stressful instead of the nice relaxing thing that I wanted to do. That wasn't going to take very long, so I'm going to go do something else. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have been sewing the other day, because it turns out I was really not okay, and I ended up in hospital hemorrhaging, needing emergency surgery. So this is the last you'll see from me for a little while, because I am now on 10 days bed rest. So yeah, I'm being well looked after, don't worry. I don't really want to talk about what happened. It's private. I hope you guys respect that. Thank you. But Val and Louis are looking after me very, very well. And, you know, I get to wear these cute socks, which I just stopped me getting blood clots, but somehow are giving me all the clueless vibes. So, yeah, I will see you guys probably in like 10 days. I might maybe make a Sims video or something if I feel like it. But I am supposed to be resting, so, you know, no promises. I'm not making any promises. But bye.